Morning, everybody. I'm in Fishlake National Forest in Utah. I'm on a cross-country trip back to the East Coast. For this workout, I am going to be using the Crossrope quarter-pound ropeless jump rope. Totally optional. You don't need it. You can, as an alternative, either pretend like you're jumping rope, or put your hands on your stability bar, or hands on hips, or make up your own arm movements. Whatever you want to do, cross ropes are not needed. So it's a 15-minute workout. We're doing 50 seconds on, 10 seconds as a rest. I'm going to be doing the move with the jump rope going forward and then going backward. We're going to start with that down bounce, feet a little wider than hip distance apart, and swinging the ropes if you have them. If you don't, it's okay. I'm a little uneven here. All will be well. So just gently pressing down into the mat, engaging that core, shoulders down and back. Woo! It's beautiful out here. Keeping my sunglasses on because the sun is coming out. Okay, now we have that rest for 10 seconds. Can stop or do a gentle down bounce. 10 seconds goes fast. Now we're swinging the ropes backwards. Same movement. If you have the ropes, it's like you're jumping on the playground as a kid. Your elbows are at your side. Shoulders are relaxed. Woo! You want to pick it up a little bit. Concentrate on bending your knees and bringing the knees up. Still keeping that gentle bounce, gentle bend in the knees. So in 4, 3, 2, 1, we have that rest. Woo, for 10 seconds. Next, we're going to heels forward, ropes forward, and gentle heel bounce. If you want to pick it up, you can stay right here or add a bounce. Bending your knees a little bit more. Or keep your feet on the mat. Up to you. Everything's great. Some happy music here today. It's a road day. 4, 3, 2, 1. We got that 10-second rest. And we're going back with the ropes. Same move. Okay, back. Woo! Or doing a closed chain movement where your feet stay on the ground. Mat. Got some hot Latin music going on. 4, 3, 2, 10 seconds. Next move, going to tiptoe. And ropes forward, tiptoe. Just bringing our toes up and just doing a gentle tiptoe. Closed chain. Picking it up with the heel, with the knees up. This isn't perfect here today. No rehearsal. I'm just going because I'm on the move this week. And I can't spend a lot of time trying to make it perfect. So it's just real. 2, 1, and relax. Also, it's the first time I'm talking while doing the ropes. We're going back with that tiptoe and back for 50 seconds. Woo! Rebounding requires concentration, but when you're swinging ropes around, it requires more. So this is really testing me. Woo! Fun. All right, get into it. Our next move is going to be an in and out, and I'll show you the close chain movement to that. It's just going to be a step touch. Okay, 10 seconds. Woo! So it's going to be step touch or in and out. Just like that, 10 seconds gone. Swing the ropes forward. Going to Jamaica, man. I forgot if I did the back with the tiptoe. We'll find out at the end. I need you guys here with me to keep me straight. Or this works too. Whew. It's beautiful out here. Intermediate. 3, 2, 1, rest. We're going back with the same move, either in and out or that step touch. Starting now. Concentrating on bringing the knees up. I have to remind myself of that too. Core engaged always. That's developing your deep stabilizer muscles around your spine, helping your posture and your balance. So important. Woo. Okay. 2, 1, that 10-second rest. Whew. Next one, we're going hamstring curls. And starting up. Okay, so closed chain, that's what it looks like. And then picking it up. You can either do it with a bounce in between, or you can go for it and delete the bounce. I'm messing myself up and just go back. Up to you. Engaging the core. It's not only ab muscles, when you're engaging the core, engaging all those muscles. Hey. 2, 1, whoo, 10 seconds. Okay, just like that, gone. Going back with that hamstring curl. Ooh. Now we're going to Africa. Showing it all three ways. Rest. Next one, gonna do a little kick. So you can kick it close, close chained, and kick it forward. You can add that bounce. You don't have to kick high, or you can go for it and kick. Kick, kick, kick. Close chain. I see dirt flying to my right. Three, 2, 1, rest. Whew. Going back with that kick. Here we go. 10 seconds gone. Kick. Bounce to the middle. Ooh. It's a lot of concentration. I find it helpful to just find a point on the horizon and stare at it. Right now I'm staring at a bush on that hill. 2, 1. You got that rest. Woo. For the next move, we're just going back to the down bounce, forward. Feet on mat, or you can come up with it, concentrating on pushing down and bending the knees. That's a fun song. Woo! Oh yeah. This song, I don't have the lyrics, but it's called Dance Like Nobody's Watching. Woo! That's always fun. Ah! Okay. Close chain. Pushing down. Okay. 10 seconds. Doing that back. Going back with the ropes, or your hands, or your arm movement in the basic bounce. Woo! Find if I really engage my core, it's easier to lift up the knees if you're trying to pick up the intensity. And also, easier to push down if you're trying to lower it. Woo! Thank you for joining me. I was all worried about doing this, but I got a huge smile on my face. Woo! Still uneven, not level. Okay, for this one, got this rest, putting the ropes down, and we're gonna dance like nobody's watching. Do whatever you want, freestyle.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching me. I'm gonna dance, 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 dance. 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 I'm gonna dance, 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 dance.
I'm gonna take down the intensity. Whew, breathe. I did record a cool down for you guys, so I'll link it up here. But it is really important to cool down. Let's take some nourishing deep breath. Can still keep that gentle bounce going. If you need to cool down more, this is just a mini cool down, but I got a whole stretching video I did right here. Whew. Now, gently come off your mat. I'm gonna put my rebounder to the side. Hopefully the dogs don't run away. And we're just gonna do some hamstring stretches. Whew. Thank you so much for joining me. Sometimes I just get caught up in the production of these videos, and I don't want it to be that. I just want to be real. However I am. This is how I am this morning. I did brush my teeth though, yeah. So, okay. Woo! I'm gonna do the other side. Moving my mat. Now you can do this on the floor, holding on to something. You don't have to move your rebounder. So nice. Thank you all so much for joining me on this road trip day. I'll give you a little bit of scenery of where I am. Sending love to all. Thank you so much.